Summaries are employed in academic texts quite often. In a research report, an abstract is a concise summary of a larger project that concisely describes the content and scope of the project and identifies the project's objective, its methodology, and its findings, conclusions, or intended results. An introduction summarises the background of the research topic and serves as a bridge to transport the readers from their daily lives to the place where the research is done. A conclusion revisits the main ideas or research questions with new insights and provides a bridge to help readers make the transition from the research back to their daily lives. In an academic textbook, summaries are made in the preface, which is an introduction to the book, at the beginning and especially the end of each chapter, to help readers to keep track of the main ideas. All of these different types of summary, serving one purpose or another, fall into their distinctive patterns. Knowing these patterns enables you to assimilate the information faster and to evaluate texts more properly. For a student, writing a summary essay is a common type of assignment. In this case, you need to be able to identify the main points of the source text when reading it. The reading techniques, such as skimming, scanning, and reading intensively, will help you to identify the main points effectively. For a book, the publishing details can help you situate and evaluate the entire book. You'll find the publishing details on the cover and the imprint pages. These details include the title, author, publisher, date, and place of publication. The table of contents will be of great help for you to navigate the book. Pay attention to the chapter section headings, non-linguistic elements such as graphics, photos, diagrams, maps, references, and the section and indices. For research articles, other than publishing details, reading the abstract and the key words before diving into the article will help you to decide whether or not this article is relevant and interesting. After reading the abstract, you might go through the text in a linear way, but most of the time, a cyclical approach is preferred. For example, you can read the introduction and the conclusion to get a basic idea of the author's argument, and then read the research methods, results, and discussion to see how the conclusion is reached and validated. After you have skimmed and scanned the text, you need to read the text intensively. The aim here is to grasp the meaning of the text. One striking feature and a challenge of academic texts is the high density of information. This is achieved by using noun phrases. Therefore, the ability to analyse the noun phrases will help you to decode the meaning of the text. One approach is to determine the relations between the noun phrases and to understand how they are connected. The effect of the connection is called cohesion. Writers use synonyms, repetition, substitution, and parallel expression and rephrasing to indicate how the words and phrases are linked to the same idea. Analysis of cohesion can help you to identify the main point of a text. Now that we're approaching the end of this video, I think a summary would be appropriate. It will help you to remember what we have covered. We've talked about the frequent appearance of summaries in academic texts and their purposes. And then we elaborated on identifying the main points in two academic genres, books and research articles. Skimming and scanning, as well as intensive reading and analysis of cohesion, will be of great help in the process of identifying the main points of academic articles.